Assalamu-Alaikum friends, and welcome to my channel program for hack. And in this video I want to show you how you can send files. And let's start. First of all, let's roll the intro. Okay, now let's move to our topic. So let's see. First of all, let's copy a already written plugin. These are not really plugins, these are methods. We will convert them into a separate file, then they will call plugins. Okay, so I will remove this to pic, and let's say here something else, and text event, let's say it as send pic. Okay, I think I have already a pic in my directory. Let's leave it. And event.message.text, and we will say command raw text dot split with space, and we will reply the message. First of all, let's check if we are getting the desired input, then I will tell you what I am going to do. Okay, let's open up my Telegram and say it. I think something wrong here. Command rerun this, and dot pic and some random text hi. It is not replying. Again try pic hi. Interesting, it's not. Why it is not working? Let's see if it is working here. Command first of all, let's check if the bot is live or not. Okay, bot is live, and now if I say dot pic and hi, it is showing me dot pic and but not sending not replying dot pic or hi. Event dot reply command. Okay, I have understand. It cannot reply a list. Okay, it's a list. We have to convert it in str, so it will. So just leave it for now. Reply, and what we will do, we will get this pic object and use this word to get a image from internet and download this image, and then we will send this image to the not victim, to the person. So we have selected this and remove this. Okay, our keyword is equal to command, and it will be 1. Why I have put it this 1 and keyword? What this means, we are going to use a keyword to get a specific picture. Okay, so therefore we are using a keyword variable here to define keyword. You can use anything, you can even say it only key or only word or anything you want to define it. And the other thing we are putting here command, and in square brackets I have enter 1. Why I have enter 1? Because this is a list, we have to access the string in this list. So to access the string in this list we have to specify a number. So I have specified 1. So you are thinking I will get this picture, not picture dot pic. Okay, so I will not get this dot pic, I will get this hi, because always remember that in programming always the index start from 0, not from 1. Okay, if I have put it 1, it means this. If I put 0, it means this. So in programming, index always start from 0. Okay, now I will stop this and let's print our, let's first of all comment this and print our keyword to check if we are getting our keyword correctly. Dot pick hacker. Okay, we are getting our keyword correctly. Now we want to search for a website which will give us images according to our keywords, and I know a very great website called unsplash. Okay, now I will open this, and this is a great website. You can get free awesome pictures from here. And I think I have to find their API. Where is the API? Here is API. So I think API. I think I'm not getting the correct, so I will put here source and splash. Okay, source and splash. And there are so much APIs like this, using username and length of picture, like width and length. What we are going to use with our keyword. So I think this is a good for it. We will copy this and get here and paste this link here and comment this for later use. And because sometimes you delete the things and you will get worried about what is the link, and you again want to open browser and do something like that. So how this works, you only want to go here and you can see here you have to put two keywords here. Here is nature and water. So if I go here, I have a nature and water. When I click or enter this, not click, I will get a random picture, and if I paste that link again, I will get the random picture. Okay, so in this way you can get random picture of your keywords. I will put hacker here and also hacker here, so I will get a random picture that's not relating to hacker. Okay, let's say cyber security, and here computer. Now you're getting the pictures. Okay, so in this way you can get pictures. So we will use this to get pictures, and here I have got the keyword. Now what I will do, I will first of all import a package which will help us to download the picture. It's called requests. So back to our code of method. Okay, so what I will do here, I will first of all create a variable. Whatever you name it, I will name it R only. You can also set it RE, but don't give it the name like request. Okay, it will change your module. Okay, not your module, but your module instance in this file. Okay, whatever you say this. Okay, so I will use this module, and I will use a get method, and I will use a URL. Let's say URL equal to the URL we have copied, and we are using f strings to put here our keywords, and I will copy this and paste here. Okay, now I will make a request to this URL. Okay, what I am doing is I am doing just like that. I have copy URL here and paste here, and I have get image. But in programming it will send a get request, like we enter URL here, and when we enter, after entering URL, when we hit enter, it will load and it will send a get request to Google, or if this URL is a real URL, not a keyword, so this will get us to the website or the URL of whatever thing you have pasted. So here I am making a get request using my programming skills, so it will make a get request to that URL, and the URL return the program a picture. We will then download the picture. So what I will do, I will open with block with open, and I will open a temp.jpg, and I will write bytes into this, and let's say it as f. I have defined that I want to open a file, and you have to name it as f. Okay, now we are going to this f variable, which indicates that the open file. Okay, now f dot write, and we will write r dot content, and after it what I will do is let's first of all let's check if it download the picture. So run the, first of all let's see if I have a already picture. I have a temp picture. I think I have to name it as temp, and delete this picture. First of all, here is, okay, this is a picture of a very cool view, so I will delete this and run my code. Here is, okay, now let's test pic, and let's put computer, see if we will get a picture of a computer. We are getting picture temp.jpg, and I think I have to also put here the thing that it will say us that completed downloading or downloaded. Okay, so that we will get that picture is downloaded. Okay, this is good. Okay, this is okay. Let's try it again, and first of all let's rerun so we can figure out if our picture is downloaded picture. And let's say it as cyber security. Okay, I think spelling is correct. But downloaded. Okay, that's a real picture, and its resolution is so high, you can see. So cool. So now we can download picture using our plugin, now using our Userbot. Okay, so now we have to send that picture, which name is temp.jpg. I will copy this name and I will come here and client. Now you are thinking what this client is. This client is here, we are using in everything, and if you go here, I have used this, and what I have said that open this method, you can say execute this method and name the return of this method. Like if I say r is equal to 8, then 8 is stored in r. What this are going to do, let me show you. This is going to do like this, client is equal to this code of block, or this block of code will do this. Okay, it will store this function return value in this client. Okay, now clean this and go back to our function and client dot, I think, send file, and the name of receiver or user ID or anything. I think it will work if I set there me, and here is the path. Let's say note this temp.jpg. I hope it will work. Let's say okay, video is going long. Let's see pic and let's say cyber security. Okay, let's see, downloaded. Okay, now it's working. Cool, very cool. And let's see picture. Okay, this is looking like a technology. Just leave it. And or pick hacking. Let's see again. Oh wow, that looks cool. Even this is a HTML and CSS code, but that's look cool. Okay, now what next we can do? I think we have completed with it. What next we can do? Let's first of all remove this code and this, also comment this, and we are sending the message, but not message a file, but only sending to me, not to the one which has messaged me. So how we can get the ID of the chat? So I think I have to use the event because I have not remembered. Let's see. So I think I will show you how you can send to anyone in which chat you have sent it the command. It will send the photo in that chat. So I think this video is going long, so I will tell you that in next video. So for now this is over, and meet you in next video. Allah Hafiz.